here we have to multiply this polynomial by this polynomial here. So I'm going to write this polynomial as the first, that is 2p square minus 2pq plus 3q square, and which is I'm going to put it in the bracket. Okay, now we have another, no, that is 5p square plus 25pq plus 4qc. Again I'm going to put it in the bracket here. Okay, so here I'm going to multiply the first term from this polynomial with the each term of this polynomial separately. Once I done with the first term, I'll go to the second term, and after that I'll go to the third term. So here I can see here nothing it is mentioned, means there will be positive sign. So similarly here, and remember the power will be 1. Okay, if not written anything. Now see here, plus plus, it remains plus only. Now we have to multiply numericals. 2 5s are 10, and the base we are having the same, so we can add the powers. 2 plus 2 is, that is 4. Now I have done with this. Now let me go to the next term. Again plus plus, I'll get plus only. 2 25s are 50. Look at the same base. Here it is p, here it is p. Okay, so p, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3, and we are having only q1. Now let me go to the next term. Plus plus plus, 2 4s are 8, and the variables I'll be having p square and q square. So we have done with the first term. I'm going to the second term. Minus plus minus, 2 5s are 10, and look at the same base. 1 plus 2, that is 3, and q. Okay, now after that minus plus minus, 2 25s are 50. Look at the same base. Here I'll get p raised to the p square and q square I'll get. See, 1 plus 1, that is 2, and for q 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now let me go to the last term. Minus plus minus, 2 4s are 8, and the variable I'll get p and q raised to the power 1 plus 2, that is 3, q cube. Okay, now we'll go to the last term. Plus plus, that is plus only. 3 5s are 15. Okay, and here it is, I'll get p square and q square. I'm just writing interchange the place, means it will be easy for us to for the next simplification when we will looking for the like terms here. So here simply I can write q square p square, that is also correct, and if I return this also, that is also correct. Okay, now we'll go to the next term. Plus plus, that is plus, and 3 25s I'll get 75, and here it is, I'll get p q cube. 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now we'll go to the last term. Plus 3 4s are 12, and it will be q raised to the power 4 here. Okay, for the next step we have to look after the like terms here. Here we are having p raised to the power 4, and here we don't get anything. Okay, so let me write this term as it is. Now here I'm having p cube q, and where I'll get again, I'll get here. Okay, these are the like terms with the unlike signs I'm having. So whenever I'm having unlike signs, so we need to subtract. So 50 minus 10, I'll be having 40, and the bigger number carrying positive signs, and whatever the variables are there, no, we have to write like that. Okay, so we have done with this. Okay, now we will go to the p square q square. So here I'll get, and here I'll get, and here also I'm having. Okay, so all these three terms are like terms. Okay, so what we will do here, plus, and here it is minus, so it is unlike sign, so we need to subtract. So 50 minus 8, when I'll subtract, I'll be having, that is here 2, and here 4. 42 I'll get, and what are the variables are there, no, the same we have to write here, and here bigger number carrying the negative sign. So let me write for the 42, that is minus here. Okay, and still we have another like terms, which is here. Here it is plus 15, no, not that one, plus this is q square. Okay, p square q square. Now look at this. This is we are having unlike sign, so what we need to do, we need to subtract. So borrow from here, it will become 12 minus 5, I'll be having 7, and it become 3. 3 minus 1, that is 2, and the variable remains same, p square, that is q square. Okay, so and here bigger number carrying the negative sign, so we found the answer here, minus 27 p square q square here. Okay, now let me make a circle, so we'll be not having any doubts. So make a circle with the signs. Okay, okay, we will look after the next like terms. Here it is p q cube, and here it is p q cube, and here it is unlike sign, so what we need to do, we need to subtract. So here 75 minus 8. Okay, so 5 6 7 8 7, here it becomes 6, no, 67. So and the bigger number carrying the positive sign, so plus 67 p q cube, that is. Okay, now we left with only one term, that is 12 q raised to the power 4. So this is the what answer we will find after the multiplication of these two polynomials here. Okay.